Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do one of the cleanest taper fades, and I'm going to show you how to do it my way because I think my way is probably one of the easiest ways to do it. So yeah, just follow along. So first thing I'm going to do is just create my guideline, and when I make my guideline I like to arc it a little bit just because you'll notice in the end when I line it up it'll make the fade look a lot cleaner that way. So I'm just using my trimmers here first, and then I'm going to take all the hair off just because it will be easier to ball it out after the hair's shorter. And up next, grab my shavers. Now, just like I say in all my videos, don't go too close to the guideline with the shavers because it'll make too harsh of a line. So just kind of flick out with it normally how you would do with just clippers. Okay, up next we got the number 1 guard, and we're going to go about 1 inch up from the guideline. So up next we got 0 lever open, and we're just going to flick out that guideline right there. And now close the lever a little bit and just fade out that line also. And you might have to play around with the lever. You know, sometimes you gotta close it a little more, open it up a little bit more just to fade out that line. And also try to use a lot of the corners of your clippers. I find for me that helps a lot. Today I'm using my Andis clippers, one of my favorite cordless clippers right now actually. It's just shitty that the battery life on it is pretty low. It usually does run out between like 1.5 to 2 haircuts. Okay, up next we got the 1.5 guard, and we're going to make another guideline now, going up another inch. Scoop it out on this one. Don't cut in, don't dig in, don't fork it in, just scoop it out. Now we got the number 1 guard. We're going to fade that line out. It's already looking really clean. Okay, now we got the 0.5 guard. Now we're just going to fade out that little weight line. It's very subtle, but you know, I can see it right there. And just using the corners of my clippers again just to get that line out. Now up next we got clipper over comb, my favorite part, and we're just gonna blend in that bulkiness to the top, to the sides. We're just gonna blend in that bulkiness to the back of his head there. Also with your comb, try to scoop out, go in a scooping out motion as you're doing clipper over comb, and that way you're gonna get the best blend. Up next we got the number 3 guard, and there's a subtle line there that I just want to fade out, so we're gonna take care of that. And then back to the 1.5 guard, and just fade out that last line right there. My favorite part now, lining it up. Look how clean that looks. Look at how crisp that looks right there. Look at that. Now just do some scissor over comb. Just blend the rest to the back of the head there. And boom, that's the end result. Look how clean that looks. There's a side too. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Whatever haircut you guys want me to do next, comment it down below, and I'm for sure gonna make a video on that too.